we are honored to have in the studio with us a gentleman of international stature, Pandit Jasraj. Panditji, welcome to Canada.
Thank you very much, really.
Panditji, it's an honor for us to have you
And
in the
I
studio.
myself feeling I'm really honored to being with you, and you are putting me in front of Canadian people. I'm really feel honored.
Panditji, you come from such an illustrious family of great musicians. What you have done for classical music will be in the history books of India to come for many centuries. Tell me about your earlier days.
I'm remembering the old days
Right.
when we were serving as a state musician in Sanand. And the Sanand Maharaja was we are very fortunate because he was also a Mewati Gharana disciple. And though he was a Maharaja, he learned from Mewati Ustad Manohar Ali Khan Sahab. And we are also Mewati, you know that. So he's a court musician. And he was a great musician, and I'm really feel fortunate because I'm very young at that time.
Right.
I'm talking 1944. And there's plenty of great masters used to come, and they were talking regarding music.
Who were the great masters, Panditji, who inspired you when you were very young?
Say about Ustad Fayaz Khan Sahab, Pandit Tumkarnath Thakur, Bade Ghulam Ali Khan Sahab, and of course Ustad Amir Khan Sahab. They were my Guruji Pandit Maniramji, and my uncle Pandit Jyotiramji, my father. But my father was, when he died, I was only 4 years old. So I actually don't remember. But my brother Guruji Pandit Maniramji and my uncle Pandit Jyotiramji, I remember my uncle was a very great musician, and he was so handsome. So you used to adore him.
That's wonderful. You know, Panditji, over the years, music has been through such a transition in India. India is one of the biggest countries in the world when it comes to democracy. And with the advent of satellite communications now, there is a lot of Western music now spilling over India through MTV, music television and others. How is this affecting the young people in India with respect to their interest in classical music?
Look, I'm always pro this kind of things. TV, film, radio, record, everything, because that I'll explain you in my way.
Sure.
There is one kindergarten school.
Right.
After that, middle school, high school, then college.
Right.
So this, I feel, these are the institutions which are helping us, and they are throwing them to go towards Indian classical music.
Wonderful. If that is the case, then there is a room for fusion of music of East and West. Now, we had Professor James Kippen in the studio with us, and we discussed with him the correlation between Indian classical music and Western jazz, and the concept of improvisation. How do you feel about that?
That's very, very near. Very, both music is very close.
Right.
Close by. And I don't think if you make it together, you can find that there's another music. No, it's come to, because Indian classical music is so, ocean.
Right.
So everything merges in Indian classical music.
You know, when you perform live, no two programs of yours is the same, because each time you improvise, it's different.
The Indian classical music is so great, and I told you it's an ocean.
Right.
Then sometimes you see this bank and sometimes see in this bank that also.
Right.
The same ragas. It can be a Atlantic, it can be a Pacific.
Wonderful. You know, when you mentioned about the same ragas, Panditji takes me on to another thing. India is very well known. They talk about the morning raga, the evening raga, and they say great people sing and they create rain.
I want to explain you. This is a very good question. Look, we have a sa re ga ma pa ma re. Sa, this is Bhairav. And Bhairav Rishabh shows that this is rising Rishabh. Sa re re re. This is going up slowly. That means you have to get up.
Beautiful.
And evening, the same Rishabh is going down towards so people are
The
tired.
sunset.
People are tired. They want to go to bed and etc. So sa ni da, I'm Marwa. Da ni re ni da sa re ga re ni da ni ma da re. Just touching Shadaj. Huh? So
Beautiful.
this the concept, Indian classical music is concept is beyond our thing.
They talk about Apurva ragas. What is an Apurva raga?
Can create new rag, but if you are singing two ragas, I'll explain you.
Okay.
The one rag is Bahar.
Okay.
You can fusion in any ragas.
I see.
So say about Khamaj Bahar. So, you told me that you are coming from Air India. They put Khamaj Bahar.
Right.
I'll show you Khamaj Bahar.
Right.
Sa ga ma pa ni da ma ga. This is Khamaj. Ga ma ga sa ga ma ni da ni pa da ni sa re ni da ma ga. This is Khamaj. Acha. Sa ga ma ni da ni pa da ni sa ni pa ma ba ma ga ga ma ni da ni sa. This phrase is ga ma ni da ni sa. This is Bahar. Rest of sur, every swaras belongs to Khamaj, but you have to find such small thing that shows that this is Khamaj Bahar.
Wonderful.
How beautiful blending this is. This Khamaj also and Bahar also.
Beautiful. Well, just for the benefit of viewers, Pandit Jasraj does not require any introduction at all. He's a scholar of outstanding stature of an international level. He's a household name in the Indian subcontinent, and his records have been platinum jubilee for many record companies. Your concerts have always attracted art critics from around the world. You've transcended beyond the lines of India, and you've now spread your music all over the world. Tell me about the importance of Indian music to be preserved in the Western world.
Whatever you are doing, I think this is the correct way. Please go on. Put Indian classic, whatever the artists are coming, you should put them in front of Western audience. You are doing the same job, so I don't have to explain you.
Your father-in-law is an outstanding filmmaker. He is considered one of the fathers of the Indian film industry, Mr. V. Shantaramji, the late great Shantaramji. I had the honor of interviewing him, and he spoke about the importance of classical music. Tell me about your interaction with Shantaramji.
That's right. What can I say about his? He used to adore me, and I am really fortunate that he. I want to say one incident.
Okay.
What about his? What is he was thinking? One music, circle, music association people came to me, and they asked me, "Will you please ask your father-in-law to be with us for your program? We want to make him a chief guest." And program will be because that was when I came to Bombay. It say about 3-4 months later on this incident what happened. So we'll give you whatever you want. And I was very I was not famous, and I was not a personality rather. So we want to invite your father-in-law and your program. And whatever you charge, we won't mind. So I was very happy, and so I went and asked him, Papa, somebody came to me and they want to make program, and I told him regarding everything what they asked me to that you will be the chief guest and I will sing. So he said, look Jasraj, for the time being it's very good, for few minutes or but afterwards you will feel very, not a ill feeling that you promote through me. You not promoted through your music.
Oh, that's wonderful.
So if you want to be a great personality or whatever it is, so go through our own.
Wonderful. So he knew your own merit at that point. That's what's wonderful.
I really always remember and think that what he was his thinking.
But he made an outstanding contribution to the Indian cinema in
Of
terms
course.
of classical dance and
Of
music
course.
through Janak Janak Payal Baje at that time because of Gopi Krishna.
Dying style of Kathak in life
Yes, he brought it back to life there. Talking of
through
dance,
Janak Payal.
talking of classical dance, I must tell you, Panditji, you are held in such high esteem by so many artists, including all the classical dancers of India, and my sister is a great admirer of yours.
Now, I am a very admirer of Dr. Padma Subramaniam, really.
That's very sweet of you.
So, she is a great artist, so there is no doubt.
In fact, she phoned me from India, especially to tell me that I must do a television special with you, and she asked me to convey her regards
I
to
should
you.
thankful to her, really.
No. Panditji, we want some words of greetings from you to our audience here.
Now, first thing, I should thankful to you that you have given me opportunity to being with you and in front of Canadian audience. I thankful to you, and message is we should listen to Indian classical music, Western classical music. We should listen music.
Panditji, it's an honor for us to have you in the studio with us, and we'll look forward to seeing you very, very soon again.
Thank you very much. Chandrasekharji, I should thankful to you and Asian Horizon.
It's an honor for us to have you in Asian Horizons.
Thank you. Namaskar.
Yeah.